and Woody Vodka and Mickey Clubhouse, Rocco. Oh, I found a Hot Wheel. Where the Hot Wheels? And T-Rex, T-Rex and Roll, T-Rex, and some more diapers, and a lot of diapers. We have nothing, nothing, and a wire try nothing, seven chalk. This is nothing. Recommend my channel. Like I saw the stuff collection, and then I put all things back.
Show them your T-Rex. You didn't even show them your T-Rex.
I got my T-Rex Turbo.
How many diapers do you have? Can you count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Good job. We'll put everything back, okay?
Look at my channel. Buy the car.
Why do you have so many diapers? Because you kaka a lot.
Bruh.
Yep. Oh, then back. Come on, see my channel tomorrow. Bye, Kai. Bye.
And that's everything Miggy has on his backpack.
Okay.